Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off safe browsing in Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, please open Chrome browser on your device. After that, here you can tap on profile icon at the top, and then you can click once again. After that, here you can tap on this option. Okay, and then just wait a minute. After that, here you can swipe like this, and then you can select security option. And then here you can scroll down until you found this option. You can simply tap on it like this. Okay, and then turn it off by pressing this button. That's the tutorial on how to turn off safe browsing in Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.